What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Carl Raven. Today, welcome to the Oculus verse. We have a bunch of Oculus stuff today. Today was a very big day for Oculus. The Quest 2 came out. We've been waiting for years for this moment. We have the 256GB model of the Quest 2, the Quest 2 Fit Pack, the Oculus Link cable which you can use for PC VR games on the Quest 2, which is portable. I'll get to that in a minute in the video. The charger pack slash head strap, and we also have the 64GB model, but today we're gonna unbox the 256GB model. So before we start the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything. Also hit that notification bell on so you won't miss anything the next. And now let's try to build and use the ultimate Quest 2. Okay, so the first box on the list, we have the Oculus 256GB model. There is a 64GB model, but for $100 extra, you can get this bad boy right here. So as you can see, it's a very nice box, and you can tell this is made by Oculus. I have no idea how you'll miss this. Duh. But just to be clear, you need a Facebook account for this, which kinda sucks. But we're gonna unbox this anyway. So let's get the paper wrap or wrap plastic off. Alright, so we got the plastic off. Let's just get rid of this thing. So this is like the Quest 1. As you know, it's another standalone VR headset. Very good headset, but this is the upgraded version of it. Alright, so as you can tell, whoa, this is a small box. Okay, so let's now open it. So all we have, whoa, man, that is straightforward. Okay, so as you can see here, these are all the components you get. So let's open this box right here. So what you get in here, it's basically the manual itself right here, and also the charging cable. Yes, the charging cable is USB-C to USB-C, but this won't work with Oculus Link. There has been multiple solutions. Yeah, you can use this with Oculus Link. It will not work. I say again, it will not work. You need the official Oculus Link cable for the PC VR function to work. Also, we have the AC power adapter, USB-C to AC power adapter. There is another one with 3 holes on you could get off of Amazon, but I recommend using Oculus's. Alright, so let's just go to here. Here are the touch controllers. Wow, man, they really did hard work on this. Also, don't worry if you need to change batteries. These use AA batteries. They already have batteries pre-installed in them. Alright, so let's see the difference with the original Rift and the Quest 2. So as you can tell, as you can see, this is cord. It is wired to the PC VR. You can make this wire also to the PC. All you need is just a USB-C port, as you can see right here. Most animators have it, and most computers will have it in the near future. But there's a big difference. You don't need sensors for the Quest 2. These 4 cameras right here are the sensors, the in-tracking sensors. And these are just the external sensors for the original Rift, so we can just throw these away. And also see the controls are way different. So these controls are based on the original Rift controllers, as you can tell. They're the exact same thing, different plastic. This is glossy plastic, this is very like plastic. But the rings are different. So the external sensors, they track this, but in the internal sensors, they track the white. So this is actually very, very neat. Very neat they did this, and they did a really good job on the like triggers, because as you can tell, this is a little clicky, but this is like very smooth, which is very surprising. So we're gonna put this right here. Take a look at the headset. So the inside, as you can see, there are very detailed lenses. So just to make sure on tips on this, do not use this outside because it will burn the lenses and potentially catch on fire. So please do not do this outside. Yes, it's possible you can use this outside, but it's really not recommended by Oculus. As you can tell, the strap right here is a little flimsy. It's not that comfortable, to be honest, but I am gonna use the Halo Band, which I actually got with the charging kit, which I'll unbox in a second. So now we've been over everything in console. Before we set it up, let's unbox the next thing. Alright, now let's get to the other big box. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so let's unbox this. This is very simple to unbox. All you have to do is just basically rip these 2 straps out and yeet them. There you go, we got that. And now we can just slide it in. Or is there another one? Oh, no, there's not another one. I can just slide it in. There we go. This looks like the exact same box. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna open this, and oh my Okay, this is really big. I got the external carry case also, but when he said, oh, it's a little too big, I'm like, oh, it's probably like centimeters. This is not what I had in mind. It looks like a mini egg. Wait, so how do you open this then? Wait, so what's this? That's the zipper, duh. I'm like, why is that poking out? There had to be some reason. Alright, let's open the Easter egg. Merry Christmas. Alright, so as you can tell, this is the hero band. So let's get this out. And also this is the battery pack built inside. So as you can tell, it's powered by USB-C. So you actually have to power this on its own also. So we just have to take this out. So this uses the USB-C port on the actual unit. So you cannot use this during Oculus Link. Also, to actually put the hero band on, you have to take the 2 slots on the back, which is right next to the speaker. So be careful, if you do it very hard, it will basically rip them off. And you have to actually get rid of the face interface. Just take it off gently, like this, the face interface. And you get this off. So you have to take off the Velcro, just slip off. There we go. And we got that there. And all you have to do is basically put the new strap on and put back on the face interface. There you have it. We have our hero band hooked up. So all you do for the charging cable is basically you just hook it up right here and it's installed. So basically this is gonna be on. So, but before we start setting this up, let's open the third to last package we got from Oculus. Alright, so we got a third package, which is the Fit Pack. So this is basically all the replacements you need for it. So we're gonna open this up. And originally the package actually came like this when you order straight from Oculus. It came like this, which I'm very surprised and not that they did that. So let's open it like that. And we have the extra facial interfaces. So in here we have what? Oh, we have the lens spacers right here. So we're gonna open this up. As you see, these are the lens spacer. Like, I think it's supposed to help your eyes or something, I guess. And now we have the extra facial interfaces. Wow, they did a really good job with that packaging. So I noticed it said 1W and 1N. Now I get why it says it, because this is supposed to be wide and narrow faces. So this is supposed to be for small faces. As you can tell, this is way too big for me because my pupils are like all the way towards the end. And we also have wide right here, which is basically if you have a wide face, it'll work perfectly fine, and there's no normal one it comes with. Now we're on to the last box, which is the Link cable. This was a very popular thing. This and also the hand tracking, which actually that does. So we'll just open this, and that's pretty straightforward. It's just a wire. That's it. Basically, in theory, if I hook this up on the USB-C type cable right here, and I plug this into the PC of the USB-C dock, which is going to be on the front, back, or even on the graphics cards, depending on which graphics card you have, it will actually play PC VR games. Alright, so that's going to be the end of the video. Next video, if you guys want me to do content on the Quest 2, leave a comment down below. Also like the video and subscribe. Hit that notification bell on so you don't miss anything in the next. And until next time, see you in the next one.